Setting up Facebook and Instagram for advertising. With great technological innovations, a lot of business owners take advantage of Facebook and Instagram. Social media has been effective in increasing engagement, building personality and trust, boosting website traffic, acquiring a competitive advantage, and reaching a targeted market for free. Successful advertising is one of the main goals of any entrepreneur. When you have a marketing approach that is not effective and efficient, you can set up a Facebook and Instagram account for advertising and achieve superb outcomes. How to create a Facebook account. Creating a Facebook account is as easy as pie. In just 6 steps, you'll have one. You can make it on your own without asking for help from anyone. The process is not as complex as you think, because you can create your desired account effortlessly and comfortably. With your desired browser, go to www.facebook.com. Enter your first name, surname, mobile number or email, and a password. Fill out the other information asked for, such as birthday and gender. Click Create an Account. After that, you'll need to confirm the information you used to create your account. Then, you just need to log into your Facebook account and you are ready to continue. As an entrepreneur, you should have a Facebook account so that you can be competitive. When you do not have an account, follow the steps and be ready to see a huge difference in your business. How to create Facebook ads account. If you already have a Facebook account, the next thing you have to do is to create your Facebook ads account. They are effective tools to provide a better return on investment, ROI. Sign into your Facebook account. Open www.facebook.com/ads/manage to go to your ad manager page. Set up your ad account's settings by completing your account information, notifications, and accounts roles. Set up your billing and payment methods. You can use a credit or debit card, PayPal, online banking, or Facebook coupon. You can also set account spending limits. Start advertising. After that, you can market your products or services, but make sure you provide quality. How to create an Instagram account. Instagram is a mobile app, but you can create things by using its website. Go to Instagram.com. You can log in with your Facebook account or create a new account by providing your mobile number or email, full name, a username, and a password. If you already have an Instagram account, you can just log in and learn how you can use your account inside the website. How to connect an Instagram account with a Facebook page. Open your Facebook page and log into it. In the top right corner of the page, you need to click Settings. In the left sidebar, tap on Instagram Ads. Click Add an Account to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook account. You can add an existing Instagram account or create a new one. By integrating social media such as Facebook and Instagram into your business, you can witness unexpected success in website traffic, number of prospective and potential customers, and a great return on investment, ROI. Set up Facebook and Instagram accounts now, before you give your competitors the chance to lead the way.